Hello guys, it's Sprinkle over here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss the top Calendly settings that you should know, that why it is there and how you can make use of that to make the possible outcome from this free tool that is the Calendly. And I have recorded a Calendly tutorial if you are new, so I have attached the link in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can watch that video. And now let's get started. So this is my Calendly dashboard and this is one of the event. I'm gonna discuss this event right now. I will just open up, and the first setting that you need to know is the first one is the when can people book this event. Okay, now why I'm saying this, like why it is important for you to pay attention here, because the date range. Okay, so now you have to decide like at what time, at what period of time you want people to book the call, like for the 60 days or the 14 days or the 15 days or whatever it is. So let's suppose you want 14 calendar days into the future. You do not want to give people more flexibility if you want to book clients into a limited period of time, if it makes sense. Okay, so most of the people type this one like indefinitely into the future, but it gives a whole range of flexibility to your customers so that they can go ahead and they can book like anytime, like even after 6 months. And this is not we want, right? We want people to take action like right now, and that is why I highly encourage you to take the invitees duration to like 14 days to 60 days, max to max 60 days, even though it is very much like the 2 months, but just doing 14 days is enough. So this was the first setting that you should know. You just have to save and close. Now the next setting that you need to pay attention is to the buffer system, I would say. First you have to go here and then just scroll down, and then after that you will get to see want to add time before or after your events, that is the 15 minutes time and 15 minutes time. You just have to select it. And now what is the importance of that 15 minutes time is it gives you a certain amount of time to prepare for your next meeting. That is why I checked it year after event, and it gives before event as well, because you do not want to collapse other meetings with the ongoing meeting, right? Let's suppose that you have a meeting after 15 minutes of this video conference that you are doing with this Calendly link. You do not want to collapse that. You want to give yourself some amount of time to prepare for or wrap up your this video conference so that you can go ahead and join the other meeting, right? You do not want to collapse the things, you do not want to overwhelm yourself, and that's why this buffer time is very important. And remember, it is not only for the Calendly. Let's suppose that you have a meeting in the Calendly, then you have a meeting in the, I will say, Google Hangouts, or other meeting at the Skype or whatever it is. So you have various other conferences, meetings over the other systems or the softwares, not necessarily Zoom or Calendly, and that's why you want to add such kind of period of time in between so that you can prepare and you can wrap up the meeting easily without overwhelming yourself. You can also select the time from here, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever it is, but for me I will say 15 minutes does the work, and it is important for you. So now the next one is I want to pay you attention here is to additional rules for your availability. Now here you can just select the scheduling conditions. Invitees cannot schedule within 4 hours, I have selected. Similarly, you can select whatever hours you want. If you want to select 14 hours, if you want to select 16 hours of an start time. And now why I am saying this is because if I am selecting like here 14 hours, it means that no one can book me until 14 hours from now. Meaning if I share this link or they come across this link via my social media, via my website, then no one can book me earliest, as I should say. Okay, earliest someone can book me is 14 hours in advance for me. It gives me enough time to prepare and perhaps ask laser focused questions. Obviously, when you want to book clients, you want to pre-qualify them, and that is a great way to pre-qualify them, because you are not giving them immediate access that go ahead and book like 2 hours from now or just after 15 minutes. No, you are not giving that flexibility. You are maintaining the healthy boundaries, and you are giving them flexibility to book after 14 hours or like 4 hours or 5 hours, 6 hours, whatever it is. Okay, so it gives the complete flexibility, and it gives you quite good time to prepare for your meeting as well. Let's suppose that if I book meeting after 10 minutes, how you are supposed to deliver me the best? Obviously not, right? So in that case, I will suggest you to book such kind of hours to give you enough time to prepare. Another thing I want to address here is, if you do not have the payment, I will say payment link attached, if you do not have upgrade account of Calendly, and you just have a free account and you are doing paid consultancies, so in that case it gives you enough time to send invoices as well. So let's suppose someone books a call with you and you have the time here set for like 14 hours. Now 14 hours is enough for you to go ahead and send that person the invoice of the paid consultancy, right? So it is quite easy for you as well to accept the payments without overwhelming or without juggling the things. Also, the next things I would like to address here is maximum allowed events per day. Now, there are two conditions here. If you are starting your business, if you are brand new in the business and you want to get as much bookings as you want, then just leave it like this, that's fine. But if you are doing paid consultancies, if you are very limited with the time, because whether you are in a day job, or whether you are you have a family to take care of, or whatever the reason could be, so now you want to maximize, so what you can do is you can do 4 events per day for such kind of activity, or you can do 2 or 3 or whatever it is, right? So this is how you can also select your time boundaries, because obviously if you are talking to people back to back, if you are doing meetings back to back, like 8 meetings a day, 10 meetings a day, obviously you are going to drain, and you are not going to put your best on the table, you are not going to deliver the best to your customers, and this is what not we want. We want to put the best to our customers. So this is why this is very very important for you to take care of. The next setting I want you to pay attention is to additional options, and the first one is inviting questions. So when you will go inside here, you will get the option to add guest. Okay, and now why it is important to put it like yes to allow invitees to add additional guests? Because if you work online, most of the times when we do sales call, we get like, I have a partner to consult to about the prices, I have a business partner or a life partner or whatever it is. So in my case, what I do is I pre-qualify them earlier. Okay, I ask them that, are you the only decision maker, or do you have any other one involved? So if that person want to invite her husband or her business partner or his wife or his business partner, then he or she can simply go ahead and invite them to our meeting area. So that's why I have just checked it yes, that allow invitees to add additional guests, and I would apply that. Okay, now the next very important thing to pre-qualify your prospects from the Calendly is to add laser focused targeted questions. Okay, so the first question is, please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. The second thing is I ask them about their website, and the third thing that I ask them is, are you ready to invest in your business to see faster results? Because I do not want to talk with someone who cannot afford me. I want to someone who is ready to take the chance, who is ready to invest in their business, and who are ready to grow in their business. I do not want to talk to everyone. So that's why these are the questions that I have attached. Similarly, you can attach questions whatever you want in your Calendly link as well. You can ask any other questions, such as do you want me to send you the proposal after the call, or whatever it is, and you can just keep it required, and then they just have to answer it either yes or no, and then you can pre-qualify them if they are a good fit or not. Simple. Okay, so this is a great way to add the questions to your Calendly as well. Now the next thing is I'm going to explain is into my account, and now I have removed it. Why? To make you understand that what I'm doing right here. Let's go. Yes, so first of all, you should have the profile picture attached here. So I will simply go ahead and I will simply uh, I would pick, I would say, my picture. I do not have a picture. Yeah, I have a picture. Okay, So I will simply go ahead, I will simply select the area and I will apply it. Why? Because I want to make sure that my people wants to see that who are they going to speak with. If they have joined the Calendly link from the social media or whatever it is, they must know that whom they are going to speak with, and you just have to do that thing. Okay, now you have to go into the branding section, and I will simply save it, save changes. Okay, just setting have been saved. Now I will go to the branding and I upload the logo. Now why it is important to upload your logo, let me tell you. So now what will happen is that when they will get to see your link, they will probably they will look at like whom they are going to talk with, or they want the full information that what this person looks like, what is their brand name or whatever it is. So it is important for your branding as well to have things on the place. So yeah, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, your family, or whoever is in the business thing and they want to make the best use of the Calendly. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel because most of my views are coming from the unsubscribed one. If you are enjoying it, please subscribe it. So yeah, that's all for the day and I will see you in the next video.